Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the dig command. It's generally used to troubleshoot problems with DNS, the domain naming system, but can be used just out of curiosity to look up information about various servers. To get information on what DNS can tell you about a system you're about to connect to, for example, you can run a query like this. And there we see a lot of information on eBay, including 2 IP addresses, the fact that this query came back with no errors and came back very quickly. If you, on the other hand, try to look up a server that doesn't exist or isn't yet registered, you get a very different response. So let's try frogsarenfake.org. And we're going to see there, aha, when you say NX domain up here as the status, that means that domain does not exist, and it did come back quickly. It did tell us that. Well, that is your Linux tip for the dig command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.